Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is a website called Earn, which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online through some tasks like installing apps, playing games, and taking surveys, etc. To get started, let's open the Chrome browser. And in the search bar, search for Earn sign up. And open the website that will pop into the first. And here you have to tap on sign up. And here you have to enter your email. I'll enter mine. And here you have to enter your username. And here you have to create a password that you will remember. I'll create mine. And for the confirmation, you have to re-enter your password. And here you have to tap on this small box. And again, you have to tap on this small box. And tap on sign up. And here you have to choose your currency. I'll choose USD. And here you have to choose your platforms. I'll choose web and Android and tap on start earning. And here to earn money by installing apps, you have to tap on offers. And you'll see different apps that will pay you for installing apps and playing games. For example, if you install Candy Match Dream Factory, then you'll get reward up to $79.40, but it is only valid in Android. And for iOS, if you install this Coinbase app, then you'll get up to $18.20, and it is available for all Android, iOS, and your PC. Let's say I chose this game, and here you can see the descriptions of the game and the rewards of the game. You can see if you collect 200 diamonds, then you'll get 30 points, and if you collect 500 diamonds, then you'll get 60 coins, and if you collect 3000 coins, then you'll get 680 coins, and if you collect 5000 diamonds, then you'll get 1512 coins. Likewise, if you raise third place on weekly leaderboard, then you'll get over 9000 coins. And if you get second place on weekly leaderboard, then you'll get up to 21,000 coins. And lastly, if you raise first place on weekly leaderboard, then you'll get more than 46,000 coin, which is equal to $46. And overall, you'll get $79.40. And to start earning money, you have to tap on start offer and download this game from the offer site and complete all these tasks to receive all this money. And if you want to earn more money, then you have to tap on earn. And here you can see many offer providers which will pay you for installing apps and playing games. For example, let's say I choose this offer providers. And it will open this website where you can see many exciting deals where you can play games. For example, here if you install this game, you can earn up to 58,000 coin, which is equivalent to $58. And it is also available for Android, iOS, and your PC. And if you want to earn money by taking surveys, then you can choose any survey providers. Then you can earn money by taking surveys. And if you go to the rewards, then you can earn some extra money by spinning the wheel. You have to enter some promo code and tap on spin wheel. And if you don't have any referral promo code, then you can use code as a squirrel, which is provided by Earn. And here you can see I have earned 50 points. And you can earn money by completing daily tasks also. And to cash out your earnings, you have to tap on cash out. Then you can see different withdrawal methods according to your country. You can withdraw your earning as a cryptocurrency, or you can withdraw your earning through PayPal also, or you can withdraw your earning into these gaming apps also, but I'll prefer PayPal. In PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $10. Then you have to choose this gift card and tap on withdraw. Then you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. This is how you can earn money in Earnut. So that's it. If you are interested, sign up for Earnut today and start earning money online. And if you find this video helpful, then consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning.